In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run stress test in HWiNFO. This is a quick, reliable way to push your system under load and see how temperatures, clock speeds, and power behave in real time. It's especially helpful if you've made changes to cooling, are diagnosing throttling, or just want to confirm your PC is performing as expected. A quick heads up before we begin. Stress testing is intentionally demanding. Make sure your device has good airflow and stable power, and be ready to keep an eye on temperatures as the test runs. Start by opening the HWiNFO app. When it launches, you'll see a small startup window. Click Start and make sure you're running in full mode. Full mode loads the main application instead of jumping directly into a limited view, which ensures you have access to everything you need for this process. If you've used sensors only mode before, double check that setting and switch back to full mode here so the next options appear exactly as we need them. Once HWiNFO opens, click on Sensors. This brings up the live monitoring panel, which lists a detailed set of readings for your CPU, GPU, memory, motherboard, and more. You'll see values like current temperature, minimum and maximum readings, and sometimes averages. Think of this window as your dashboard. As the system comes under stress, these numbers will update many times per second, giving you a clear picture of how your hardware responds. Now look toward the lower part of the sensors window. Below the list, you'll see a small set of icons. Find the stress icon, which looks like a red flame. Click it to start the stress test. When you do, HWiNFO will apply a sustained load that quickly elevates temperatures and power draw. This is normal and exactly what we want to observe. Watch how CPU package temperature climbs, how fan speeds react, and whether clock speeds remain stable or begin to dip, which can indicate thermal or power limits being reached. During this period, it's useful to note the maximum temperatures reported, since peaks tell you the worst-case scenario under heavy load. Brief spikes can be okay, but consistently high numbers or rapid throttling suggests the system could benefit from improved cooling or more conservative performance settings. That's it, simple and effective. By opening HWiNFO, starting in full mode, heading to sensors, and clicking the red flame icon, you can run a focused stress test and verify your system's behavior under pressure. Use what you observe here to guide future tuning and to ensure your PC stays fast, cool, and reliable.